Hey guys, this is Raju from TechPP.com, and today we are having a hands-on with the brand new Nokia Lumia 1020, which was announced just a while back in New York. As you can see, this is the latest flagship from Nokia, and it runs the Windows Phone 8 OS. And the main thing about the device is the 41 megapixel camera with the xenon and LED flash inside. So much of this were leaked prior to the announcement today, but it has still managed to beat our expectations from what we can expect from a camera in a smartphone. So coming to the specifications, it runs 1.5 gigahertz Snapdragon processor, dual core processor, and comes with 2 GB of RAM, which is by far the biggest we have seen in a Windows Phone 8 device. Along with that, it has a 4.5-inch AMOLED display and 720p resolution as well. And the front camera is a 1.2 megapixel wide-angle lens, suitable for video calling and self-portrait. And the back, of course, is all about the 41 megapixel camera, which we had previously seen in the Nokia 808 PureView running the Symbian, but finally we have mainstream mobile operating system. As far as the side is concerned, it has the volume keys on the right, as well as the sleep display button and the dedicated camera button at the bottom. On the left, it's plain Jane, so nothing much over here. The bottom has the micro USB charging and data cable, along with the speakers over here. And the good thing to note here is there is a microphone, additional microphone over here, and the microphone on the top as well, which aids in stereo recording, and also it comes with the 3.5 mm audio jack and the micro SIM as well. So this is about the specifications. So let's go and take a look at what the program has to offer. So this is the new software which Nokia has come out to aid the 41 megapixel sensor which they have on Lumia 1020. So as you can see, it provides control to some of the intrinsic details you can get out of a camera, like the white balance or the ISO details. It goes up to 16,000, which is by far the best we have seen on a smartphone, and even some of the DSLRs don't even go till that level. So that's pretty cool. And in addition to that, there are some you can control the exposure, and you can reset the things to auto to let the camera do its job without meddling too much into the settings. So in addition to that, there are some details like the flash control and stuff like that. So these are some of the shots which we have taken earlier, and as you can see, a lot of details can be obtained even after taking a shot. So we have a separate video detailing the camera and the program application, which you can take a look. So this is about the program, and as far as the performance of the Windows Phone 8 itself is concerned, it looks, the performance has never been a problem on a Windows Phone 8 device, even with meager 512 MB of RAM. But we do see that few of the things like the navigation as well as gaming looks a little better on this particular device, because it has 2 GB of RAM in comparison to 1 GB on earlier versions like 920 and 925. So this is about Lumia 1020. We obviously need to get a detailed review to know how the battery performs and other things as well. So just watch out for that. Till then, it's Raju signing off.